Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's see what's going on in the markets. In the, how do you call the day before the last day of the year? uh, Dow Jones, IWM, ooh la la, everything is going down, going deeper underground. You guys know my repertoire by this point already. It's probably gonna break. I will see about that. Oh la la. Look at this. Okay. So Dr. Pepper is in the levels right now as we speak. This volume now. It's like super concerning. Oof. Yeah. I think it makes sense. The market is taking profits again. It's close of the year. One wave was before the Christmas, the other was before the year closed, the calendar year. Oh, was it what the... I need to check. Maybe the splashes of the daily volume. Maybe those are quarterly closes. Yeah, it doesn't look like an exhaustion at all. What do we need in such a situation? Conservative trade. Boom, 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 boom. Was it an entry? Might have been. Unvolumed. 172. 172. Yeah. Thing goes up. Holds the level first and then goes up, up, up. Yeah, no, this all is weak. And it's a balance here, I think. Oh, and by the way, this was a balance, so it's still in a balance. We'd rather see it as the impulse, just because we expect wave to reverse here. So it's rather something like this, but volume-wise, it just doesn't make any sense. Yeah. We'll keep it here. Yeah. That would need a test anyway, and it has to be conservative. Is the volume distribution like this? No way. Why am I even looking at it on 5 minutes? It just needs a look, everything is there. Look how beautiful it is. And I'm not in the money. I had this like idea recently. If I'm in position and say like the position lost 10% right now, and I have an entry that potentially can recover me like 10% and more, should I just close my losing trade and open one new trade that I think has a more probability to turn out to profit? You with me? Are you following? I think you do. So like rather than holding a losing trade that prevents me from opening a new one, I'd rather accept the loss, close the trade, and open the one that can potentially, like even if it at least covers over the loss, it can do it faster. I'll break even at some point in my losing trade, but how long will it take me? That's the question. Yeah, as usual, there is no exhaustion whatsoever. Did it went a hair? Did it go here lower? 4-0? Yeah. So that was. Like this. Pew, pew, pew. And up it goes. Also again, why am I drawing on minutes? This needs to be, it just needs to be conservative. They look fine, more or less. It's weird, look, this volume, 19th, the bigger volume in 20th. 20th, yeah, I don't think it's real, I think this is real. Is this real? Real? Yeah, forget about it. We need a conservative trade here. Home Depot. Wait. What's Home Depot about? Damn, it's log, it's not alerts. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at this. So forget about all this. It's this. Oh yeah. This is annoying when you move the like line with alert, it will beep again. So I don't know. It's annoying. It's like the biggest volume ever since here. Same deal, it needs a reversal. It needs an exhaustion volume. I don't see exhaustion volume here. This does not look like an exhaustion. Yeah. So never mind. Transition extreme is what we're looking for here, is what I'm saying, I guess. In all three cases, probably. Yeah, transition extreme, transition extreme, transition extreme. So let's see the rest of the market. The market might be taking profits. Not in Russia though. Look at this guy. Intel and LMK. Wait. It has to break it first. NVSO. Fosagra. At least my stocks don't collapse. That's a good sign. If they can stand through the market correction, that's good. Beluga goes. Yeah, this guy. It's a paper trade, thanks God. It's a paper trade. I'm gonna hold it as it is, but yeah, that's not how. After I entered, I was like, damn, that's not how the waves are born. Because there is no impulse here. That was logical. We'll see how it interacts. It's actually not bad for wait. That's weird. Huh. Mismatch. Yeah, so that's that. So thanks God I didn't take this trade. That was a good thinking. I feel like paper trading becomes like a good filter, good, let's say, like shield for my brokerage account. I would have taken it if I had money, probably. And I mean, and right away I knew that's not how the wave was born. So these levels were, I don't know what I was thinking about. But yeah. Magnet goes higher. Damn, this song is stuck in my head. It's an old one. DJ Raw, Naked. Gosh, the lyrics. I want to get naked with you. Do 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 do. If you know, you know. Do 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 do. It's good old house music. I'll remember, of course, is I want to get naked with you. But that's how the gosh, what do you call it in English? The repetitive part of the song goes. So yeah, I'm glad I didn't take Hubble. I put it in the ideas. Sorry, guys. What did I do? Trading active didn't go my way. Wait to break even. I was allowed to trade. I mean, that's not how the waves are born. Comcast. Transition shown, please. There's the volume distribution like this. Only transition shown, please. I have it all open, but yeah. Same everywhere. This kind of volume distribution. Locally? Even locally. Forget it. Okay, let's see our Ds. This is more like a wave. Counter trend now. This is more like a wave. And also well, it didn't close in correction yet, so technically that's a level. 1, 2, 1, 2. Skip it. There's my sweetheart Pfizer. Pfizer is there, but like so high up there. It will close spring and then it can go to 0.5 and it should go to 0.5. So this level is not valid and it shouldn't be, by the way. That would need a test for sure. Maybe like last chances to get on Pfizer. GMT, my favorite. Yeah, it kind of crawls up on must trust. Must trust. Ooh, that's close. Again, I don't know how to believe here. And it doesn't matter. It went up, and then down, so it needs a transition extremum right here. Don't know how to believe. But I believe. Ooh. See, like slowly grinds. Marathon. Plot just goes. Dun. 10 United Health, by the way. When I go to gym, I'm seeing this shebang. Oh, and by the way, that was a 1 bar rule. So, never mind. So technically, yeah. Technically, it's this. Yeah, I'd rather do a test level of this guy. And it's also, it's closing, but yeah. Look at this volume now. Yeah, so look at this volume. No bueno. What is this guy doing? So let's admit it, it's gonna close tomorrow. Yeah, guys, 1 day left till the end of the year. I've done enough of stupid stuff this year, so I don't need any more. 594, 580. It's gotta be. Yeah, the hour and day starts mismatching, which is bothering me a little bit. So maybe 1099 is worth it. You know what I mean? The real-time data. Because day shows that it's been at 584. An hour doesn't. See? Data mismatch. So maybe 999 is worth it. Because in day terms, and day is real-time data, day shows that this was a transition extreme. And if it was, then 1, 2, 1, 2. So then this might have been an entry point. This is massacre. Why do I have it? 606. Yeah. Then a test. 60. 60. I know. Okay, let's 14 billions. Point now. I'm sorry, you're out. I think I need to focus like more than 50 billion and more than 2.5% dividend. That's more like my demographics. Yeah, this guy needs to close. Technically, it's transition extremum. Absolutely unvolumed. Oops. Yeah, guys, I think I'll have to connect real-time data back because what it shows on hourly just doesn't match the day. I'll wait for a few more discrepancies, but I can already tell. So like the highs and lows on hour do not match the highs and lows on day of the same day. and that's really make it unreliable for any kind of swing trade, leaving me only with like investment trades, which is something I really should focus on. But it's nice to go down on hourly and even minutes sometime for a day trade, you know, when the year, months, and day are right. Oops. 2.5. But it's also like screaming into my face. That was an exhaustion. The bar above. The jump over creek bar. The ram bar. Oh damn. Hours and minutes. And that's days and hours. That's what it is. That's weird. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's needed transitioning shown. Yeah, the capsule and volumed. Moscow exchange. Defies the sanctions. Bullish, bullish. See the impulse? Goes beautifully. I don't know. Needs a close manipulation signal on hourly. No exhaustion volumes. Just for fun. See the MOEX. But yeah, billion rubles, and a ruble is like $100. Vice versa. $1 is 100 ruble, and it has like 27%, 28% closely. So there's like $4.5 billion capitalization. Just to compare Russian market with American. But yeah, back to where I was. There's nothing even to look at. Why do I keep on marking it out? Gosh. It's like too many stocks. Let's see the Yandex. What do you mean seasonals? Hey, wait. What is seasonals? Oh, okay. New useless tool for me. So yeah, I think it would be fair to say that the capitalization of average Russian company is like 10 times less than that of a American company. Yeah, that wouldn't work. It was yeah, everything needs a transition extra today. Too many stocks alert. This is so low. At least there is an exhaustion volume here. Also like suicidal. It's suicidal. With the volume like this, I mean, come on. Dividend yield is very small. It's too small. There's just too many stocks. Hamburger. How is it different from this pie? It's very different. How is it possible? It's basically the same instrument. This is derivative from SP SN. English is failing me. S&P 500. And this is also a derivative from S&P 500. Strong sell. 24 billion. Dividend yield is alright. I just don't understand why there is discrepancy in between SPI and this guy. And of course I'm prone to believe SPY. Yeah, on the transition extremum. This looks healthy, but yeah, for the little exception that is this. It's a very heavy wave to be born like this. And there is a bigger volume came in. It looks good. It does look like an exhaustion. And it did stop the wave for, it's already served its purpose. Bounced, but then boom, volume came in. And then, yeah, that's also weird. It's all here though. Crown Castle. 40 billion, it's alright. Texas. Oh, they had this terrible hurricane recently. Also, Power is not indicative. There is no volume on the market, looks like. Which also like the liquidity, volatility, and the direction changes on the market all the time. So you see this volume build up here, and we're now below it hourly. So, and I don't think that volume will come on the last days of the new year. It will come in the beginning of the next year. Okay. CVS T Dominion Energy. Looks all right. Fjord, Gazprom. Russian market just goes. It just goes. That was a good level. That's so far below. Didn't have strength to manipulate T1. Now T2 manipulation. And the yearly level. So this like balance 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, and 2, and 2. There is some volume. Again, it's not that biggest volume. So only through transition extremum, please. That's about it. Boom. Doesn't look like a wave that is born. It's counter trend. Yeah. Even though it looks all right here, doesn't matter how it looks on hourly. On volume T1. Yeah, no. Forget about this guy. This guy on the contrary. Also, let's be real. It's closed in a day, in 5 hours. You see, you want this volume to be here, and it was here, and then the bigger volume came in, and the volume here is, yeah, I don't think it's a good idea. 474, 452. Dun, 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 dun. Don't think it's a good idea. What the heck? Ah, okay. So yeah, transition extreme was here. Now we are below transition extreme and down. Let's observe. But gosh, too many stocks. HD. Let's see continuations of the trend. There are some like the days there is like violent movements. It confirmed the reversal of the trend, so and it's in correction now. It's official. They'll do a big review this weekend, and it might be my last weekend vocal before I go dark. You guys know that I go dark to my meditation retreat, so I won't be able to broadcast. So yeah, that's now a monthly watch. But yeah, I mean, let's be real, like everything closes in correction now. Yeah, so a lot of corrections, so forget about it. It all goes into correction, so you don't even need I think you still can look at it. No, you should not. T. Yeah, everything closes in correction. So correction officially starts on American market. Even on this guy. And I'm all in positions. Perfect. Beautiful. Classy. The stuff that I was most afraid of. Is to get stuck in position on the highest highs. It's happening to me. It's alright. Which is alright. That could have been avoided. Unless the market will do a V-turn and will never touch the highest high again. Not even the highest high, but like will give me no bounce. Then I'm screwed. I'm becoming an investor for a long time. Back home we call it honorable investor. But yeah, all this needs a local extremums and the whole shebang. Thanks God I didn't take this one. What is it? That close below now. Of course, you're not gonna consider 41, 40, so transition extreme. Okay, that's what we have for today. Look at this guy. I mean, it's at the level, but no, you cannot take aggressive trade here, Misha. Forget it. It needs to be conservative. Okay,